welcome to Learninstudy, where the learning never stops. Today, we will be learning about constants variables in the C programming language. A programming language is designed to perform certain kind of tasks. This is achieved by executing a sequence of precise instructions called as a program. So, like in the English language, C also has its own vocabulary and grammar. Consider these two statements. If someone asks you that where do you learn C programming from? And you say I learn C programming from Learninstudy, which sounds a bit inappropriate for the ears. Consider the second example now. I am learning C programming from Learninstudy. This is more soothing to the ears. These set of rules in the C programming language are also known as syntax rules. Here is a character set of C language. A character set means these are the permittable characters which you can use to write a C program. This character set includes small a to small z, capital A to capital Z, all the digits that are 0 to 9, special characters, and white spaces. Let us learn about tokens. In a C program, the smallest individual units are known as C tokens. Please note that when I say smallest individual units, I don't mean a single character, I mean a whole word. C tokens can be classified into six types, which are keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, special symbols, and operators. We will be discussing each of these token in detail. In the program we just wrote, you may observe that all the words which are highlighted in dark blue color are keywords. Keywords are int, float, return. These all are keywords. Keywords, as we discussed earlier, can't be used as a variable name. Next is all the words which are highlighted by green color are identifiers. Identifiers in this program are radius, area, pi. These are the name we have given to our variables. Next is constants. Values like 10, 3.14, and 0 are constants. Next is strings. Everything which is between double quotes is a string token. Other than that, we have special symbols such as hash, circular braces, curly braces, and operators as equal to, this is an assignment operator, the star operator, which is used as a multiplication operator. Hope you have gained knowledge of the constants variables in the C language. We'll have a deep dive into these topics in the further videos. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is Anshul Maske. If you want to learn C at a greater depth, make sure you check out the full course on the Learninstudy website, now at just rupees 200. Subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more trivial information and further updates from this channel. Thank you.